Hello guys, and welcome to another video. We are doing this thing called Pack Opener on my dad's phone, and as you can see, we have the phone. Right, so first pack, we do get a centre pack. Fonte, he's not really that good. We're gonna do 10 packs. Oh, Martinez. Nice. Right, this is our third pack going. Ooh, nice pack there, Dante. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, none there. Silver. Great. Fifth pack, I think. Oh, no, sixth pack. Debussy. Right, 7th pack. Hopefully we can get something good in these packs, because 2 days ago I got Hero Ronaldo, and I'll show you. Right, this is our 8th pack, I think. Yep, 8th. Actually, I'll do 12. Right, this is our 9th. Tenth. 11th. And then 12th. Ooh, inform striker. It's alright. And then I'll go onto my cards, and then there. So we have Hero Ronaldo, Legends, Focus. Let me just focus. I can't really see that. Baresi, and then Legend Bergkamp, Hero Aguero, Thiago Silva, Boateng, Effenberg, Biscuits, Muller, Cazorla, Inform Moutinho, Inform Laporte, Gerrard, Alonso, Matuidi, Isco, Varane, Turan, Mutan, Bones, Cahill, Koscielny, Falcao, Marcelo, Nangolan, Gustavo, whatever that says, and a couple more players, including Nani, and yeah, loads. So, and Inform Wijnaldum. No, Hero Wijnaldum. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, go in the description below and say you would like some more. So yeah, bye.